Hello friends, this is Bhuvana and I'm the creator of VK Art Crafty channel. If you haven't subscribed before, please do click on subscribe button. Just to make you occupied, I have given most of my favorite crafts images. So please have a look. Also, I'll be providing a link to that craft in the description below. So this is the first time actually I'm just trying to give my voice over. So please do support me friends. So for all these days I was very busy with my 10-month-old baby. That's the reason I couldn't able to upload more videos often. So at least from now onwards I'll try to provide more content related to arts and crafts. I'll try to connect regularly. So please do support me friends. One more thing I just wanted to convey is most of my subscribers are non-Tamilians. So I'm going to speak in English only to make them understand. So please don't mind if I do any mistakes as well because English is not my native language. Today I'm going to show how I have organized my bedroom shelf in a cheap and cost-effective way. So most of the decorative pieces I've shown in the video are made of waste cardboard actually. It won't cost more than 20 to 50 rupees. So let's start with the video. Thank you for all your support and please do keep on supporting.